Hello? Yeah. I'm right here, dude. Yeah. Nice.
There's no straps in the car at the moment, so if it falls off, it falls off. I say, you want to slip that block under there?
You know, thanks, dude. I came here for a fender, not to lose my hands.
That's fair enough. You can do the other side.
I can, but I'm the filmer, so.
Right. Filmers don't work on cars.
Yeah. For one of these?
That was already there. That hurts though.
That looks like it hurts.
For sure. I just like was like punch the fucking bolt.
You're done.
Ew.
You doing?
I don't know. Probably gonna go buy another piece of junk. Once I get rid of one, I have to get another. So.
Okay. We're doing that right now.
I have this weird addiction to these cars. I don't know if I want to show up in the truck and trailer and cause intimidation that I'm gonna take their car, or I show up in the E36 and be like, I'm an enthusiast.
That's fair.
Right?
Okay,
Like it's always, there's a fine line. Some people are like, yeah, get it out of my yard. And some people are like, I only want it going to someone that loves these cars.
That's true.
Yeah, even though this is what I do to them a lot of the time. But yeah, let's take the E36. I don't want to unload this right now.
Okay, cool. Okay, so it looks like me and Quinten are gonna go E36 hunting in random people's yards because he's seen a few sitting in the yards and we're gonna go see if they want to sell them. We're gonna take his E36 so that they're like, wow, these guys must really like E36s, and then we're gonna go see if we can buy more E36s. We're gonna go do that. Hey buddy, let me pet you.
A green coupe, I believe it is. It's sitting under a tarp in someone's backyard.
There's E30 right there.
Yeah, look at that.
That thing looked mint too.
Good spot. Maybe we'll go look at that.
Yeah. If you can get an E30 for less than $3 grand, you're gonna make money.
Oh, you're gonna make like $3 grand or
Yeah.
4.
Oh, there's a cat.
Oh, kitty.
There's a cat.
Kitty.
What? No.
Go for it. It kind of runs weird.
Yeah. You all right, bud?
There it is.
There it is. Oh, it's blue.
Oh, it's blue. It's not green, but it's definitely a coupe.
Okay.
Yeah, so has it just been here for a long time? Absolutely. I understand, for sure. Okay. Well, yeah, if you can save my number, that'd be great. I will come get it as soon as you're ready.
Okay, so that was a 98 323 manual.
Yeah, 98 323, black interior, blue coupe.
Couldn't make a deal yet though.
Apparently it runs and drives great. It's his daily driver when he comes over here from Alberta.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but doesn't have anything to drive when he's here, or other than that car. So he said he's gonna start looking for a new car to drive when he's here. He'll sell me that one when he does. I offered him $800 for it. I hope that works out.
Yeah.
I'll probably pay up to $1,500 for the car.
Yeah, especially if it 323. I can't remember.
It's M50.
It's M50.
But I can't remember if it's small case rear end.
Not a bad find though.
Absolutely not
manual.
a bad find. Manual, yeah. Guy seemed interested in getting rid of it.
We just stumbled upon an E30 coupe here in red. Here's your magic bud.
Yeah. Let's see what happens.
Sorry, how much you just buy this for?
$2,500. So take a look at it.
What is it?
Manual 325. Slipping clutch and the exhaust needs work.
Just bought yourself an E30, pal.
I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow.
Are you stoked?
Yeah, a little bit. So once the clutch started slipping, you just kind of stopped driving it?
Nope.
Oh,
nope.
okay.
It's been slipping for years. It still doesn't burn oil.
Okay.
There's never any drip on a screen here, so that kind of maybe if it gets really, maybe there's a drip. It might drip sometime, you know. So it might lose, but never enough so that you can. Not do anything without talking to you.
Perfect.
And yeah,
That's awesome.
That car was like right around the corner from the first one. Like literally so close.
2 minutes. Well, we mentioned it at one point. I don't know if you were recording then.
Yeah, I was actually.
Yeah.
But like literally right around the block.
Yeah.
And
So
you just got yourself 2 BMWs in 10 minutes. We're gonna get some lunch now.
yeah.
Anyways.
Food time. Starving.
Good deals, good deals. Are you doing drifts?
What? Here.
You're scared.
I'm not scared. Don't ever say that I'm scared.
Fuck, there's cops.
No way.
No, they're just kidding. I scared you.
So much smoke in my car. Holy fuck. Reeks in here.
Quick trip to Mexico right now.
We just got back.
Looking for, yeah, we live real close to the border, so we can just
Real close. Like,
quickly hop down
it's
there.
really warm out here.
Yeah,
We just wear jackets because we like the style.
yeah. There's also sick jumps here. You want to hit them?
Yeah, let's do it. I got a monster truck. No balls.
Found a 328 IS.
Well,
What was the sitch on that one, buddy?
as soon as he's gonna go get a new car, which sounds like it might be in the next few months,
Yeah.
he's gonna come drop it off at my house.
What'd you offer him?
$2,000.
That would be a sick daily.
Yeah, or another parts car.
Yeah, or that. 328 IS, M52 manual.
He's owned it for a long time.
Big enthusiasts like us.
Yeah. Well, not quite like us, but
Okay, so far we got 323
323 manual, blue.
E36, but we haven't made a deal on that
That
car.
hasn't been a full yet deal.
I'm gonna talk to him later.
Yeah.
We got an E30 for 2,500 bucks.
Yep.
And
A 328
a 328
For
possibly
possibly $2,000.
Possibly $2,000
in the next few
in
months.
the next few months. He's gonna give him a call.
So,
Okay, what's next? 318 IS. Right there.
yeah.
But buddy doesn't want to sell it.
The doors are open, take them stuff.
Hey, he's gonna dries the air in here, so he cares.
Sure.
Seats are nice though. It doesn't run.
I guess the ECU's chooched or something. I kind of like this interior color combo.
I do. It's
I'm
like
not gonna lie.
it's like
I think I almost like it better than the black.
it's a nice little gray.
This tire's brand new.
A 98 first year E46.
I don't know what's going on there.
Can't complain about this.
It is pretty,
That's a bubble.
pretty clean.
It'd be nice to know more about it though.
All I know is that it just needs an ECU. He said it was a running, driving car, but then water got in the ECU and fried it.
Oh really?
So, I mean, maybe the cowl is leaking and it dripped into the ECU hole down here.
Sat here without a rain tray for a while too though, so it could be.
I mean, all that's going to affect is your coil packs.
That's what I mean. It could be
And
a couple coil packs now.
Yeah. He said call me back with what you think it's worth.
Sorry, these are really pretty flowers. Okay, we're gonna call the guy.
Would you take $400 for it?
No,
No?
no, I've got 1,000 into it.
Okay.
Okay, so we gave him a little bit of a lowball offer there, but we really don't know exactly what's wrong with the car. It won't start, and apparently it's a computer, but
Yeah.
who knows?
We can't really justify spending.
$1,000 bucks.
$1,000
I mean,
bucks on a
maybe
car that-
$800 if I had a computer already, but
Yeah.
I don't. So
Yeah.
I like the looks of this road.
Me too. Looks like tarpage.
This looks like tarped up car territory.
Absolutely looks like tarped up car territory.
There's an RX-7 under a tarp. Should we ask about the RX-7 under the tarp? That one's not for sale, buddy. We can't buy that one.
Oh, man, I can't buy everything. Can try though.
Yeah, we tried. What an asshole.
Little ender for the day.
Yeah, so we found a couple cars. Good day though.
Absolutely.
Just so random too.
So random.
Yeah.
Come get parts and then let's go
Yeah.
drive around for like 2 hours looking at cars.
It was pretty fun though.
Yeah.
Wasted a few hours.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right,
See you
buddy.
next time you need parts.
So I literally just went to go grab a fender off Quinten. Ended up with 2 fenders and a bunch of other parts. And then we just spent the day roaming around looking for derelict 90s cars to buy in people's yards that were looking like they sat there for a while. So that was actually pretty fun. I was gonna go work on my car today, but it's actually kind of late now that we did that. We could make a new video series out of this. If you guys like that video, we can do a more organized version and bring cash next time to go find cars that we like to buy, like old 90s cars, BMWs, anything cool that we can get a good deal on. So if you liked the video, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. But I think that's going to be all for today, and we'll catch you next time.